Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on your OnePlus Nord 6. So first, what you want to do is check the cable and a charger for any visible damage or compatibility between the phone and a charger itself. This is very important because if your charger is not compatible with the special device that you have, then it might just not work at all, or it might work pretty badly. So that's why you want to check it. Maybe there's some damage in the cable, maybe there's some damage in the charging brick. You see that some pins maybe just turned away. And for example, if you have a charging brick like this, it is normal, but let's say this is a little bit to the left and it is already damaged. I wouldn't recommend using a charging brick like this. And of course, you can look for any damage here and also here on the sides, maybe inside of the connector. And basically, you can do the same for the cable. Now, what you guys can do next is make sure to clean the charging port with a non-metallic tool. So we have a port right here at the bottom. Now the port is very easy to clean. All you really need is something like an air compressor or a soft brush. Both of these work. And of course, now after that, what are we going to do is we're going to test another fast charger or just change the outlet. So as you guys can see, I got the brick like this, and now we can get another one. So I just grabbed another one. This has an adapter for USB-C. And we can simply change this one, and we can do the same for the cable. So we can grab another cable and see if it works. Now we're gonna move on into the settings, and in these settings we want to enable fast charging. If you did not do that already, then that was the issue. And what are we gonna do is we're gonna scroll down, and here we have charging settings in the battery settings section. We're gonna click on it and enable smart rapid charging. So all you really need for it is a genuine cable and a charger, and it will work perfectly fine. Now if you do have it and it's not working, then what you guys can do is update your software to fix any charging glitches. So scroll down, go to system and update, go to software update, and it is checking for updates automatically. Soon we should have our results if our version is up to date. If your version is not, then I recommend you updating it. This is very important to keep up with the latest version of the software so you don't have any glitches in advance. And now we are waiting for the final result. As you guys can see, the version is up to date for me, but if it's not for you, then as I've mentioned before, update it. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.